Hey y'all, happy Saturday. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will be bringing you all along with me. I will be making some Pop-Tart Philly cheese steaks, and we will be using the puff pastries. I will be using 2 boxes of these. They come 2 in the box. The reason I said Pop-Tart is because I'm going to make it like a Pop-Tart. I will be using provolone cheese, 2 packages of the rib eye steak finely shredded. This is real good for Philly cheese steak. I will be using 1 bell pepper and 2 onions because the pack of onions I got, they're small. I will be using black pepper, some Montreal steak seasoning, butter, and last but not least, 2 eggs. That will be for the egg wash that I wash on top of the bread. I will be using this wooden spoon to stir up my Philly cheesesteak, and this to brush the egg white on top of the pastries before they go in the oven. So let's get started. First, I'm going to go over here and chop my bell peppers and onions.
Feel me.
And guys, I don't have to add any oil or anything in this pan because steak makes its own grease. I feel like if you add any more oil or anything to it, it's just gonna be greasy. So yeah, we're just gonna go ahead and put that meat over in there. I'm gonna wash my hands. Hello.
Feel me.
Okay, that's how the Philly cheese steak is looking so far. I'm gonna let that cook down. Okay, after I let it cook down, we'll come over here and add the cheese.
Feel me.
Okay, now that the meat is done, we're gonna come over here and layer. I got my puff pastries, and they come 2 sheets. So, and you can cut the sheets in half to make more. And then I'm gonna come over here and put the cheese. Cheese, meat, and then fold it.
Feel me.
Okay, y'all. Antonio want to tell you all hello. And he wants y'all to see his Hello Neighbor outfit that he has on. He just got yesterday. So, yeah, I'm just making us some lunch. Tell him hi. Wait. That's Javon. That's their cousin in the back. He's waving at you all. And Ray just went back in the room. Hey. Ray's right there. I'm just making us some lunch. Hey. They end up playing the game. All right, so I'm gonna finish up lunch, and let you all see what it look like once I'm done. Okay, y'all, this is how they look. As I close them in, I have the Philly cheesesteak loaded in here, and now I'm finna egg wash them up and put them in the oven for on 415 for 15 minutes. So we just gonna egg wash them at the top. And y'all, I'm holding the phone and showing you all, but this is how you want to do it. You want to egg wash them up. So I'll be back. Okay, y'all, I got the first batch in, so now I'm going to do the second batch. I'm just going to come over here and cut this cheese.
Feel me.
Okay, y'all, the pastries are done. This is the first batch. I do have 6 more right here going in after I butter these up. But if you like this video, please like, comment, and subscribe. And I just want to show you all how I'm doing that butter, just buttering it up, you know. But yeah, like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you all, and have a wonderful Saturday. Thank y'all for watching. Bye.